Turkeys might seem like calm and harmless creatures at first glance, but with their strong beaks and sharp claws, they can turn into terrifying hunters, challenging even snakes and birds of prey like eagles, and defeating them. That's exactly what we're going to see in this video. Prepare to be amazed by the wild side of turkeys. This poor rooster is under attack by several turkeys. It's definitely an uneven fight, and he has to face off against the turkeys alone. But soon enough, he will have to accept his defeat and surrender. What was this foolish rooster thinking, believing he could withstand the assault of several large and powerful turkeys? The turkeys attacked the rooster one by one, continually pecking at him and sometimes knocking him down to the ground. However, it seems that one turkey isn't willing to let this poor rooster go. Nevertheless, this has become a lesson for the rooster to be more cautious and stay away from turkeys in the future. Have you ever seen a turkey attack a large snake? It's like a scene straight out of an epic battle. The turkey, showing no fear, goes after the snake the moment it gets close. Contrary to what you'd expect, instead of the snake coiling around the turkey and immobilizing it, the turkey dominates the fight with surprising strength, slamming the snake to the ground. With relentless pecks and strikes, the bird quickly ends the battle, as if it were born to be a warrior. Sometimes turkeys can become aggressive and hostile, attacking other birds without any reason. This time, a turkey has taken it upon itself to harass this beautiful peacock. The turkey's larger size and stronger claws give it a clear advantage over the peacock. However, the most shocking part of this video occurs when an arrogant eagle attempts to hunt the larger and stronger bird. In this attack, not only did the naive eagle fail, but it also set up a feast for the turkey. The turkey slams the eagle to the ground with such force that it seems as if the bird is being crushed. If you hadn't witnessed this incident, would you have believed it could happen? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Meanwhile, the turkey walks around a large green field with its chicks. As soon as it spots a snake emerging from its hiding place, it attacks. The snake, realizing the turkey's approach, tries to retreat to its hideout. However, the turkey is quicker and manages to catch the snake with its beak. It strikes the snake repeatedly with its beak, leaving the poor creature defenseless and ultimately snake conceding defeat. Two turkeys spotted a snake slithering across a golf course, probably looking for its next meal. Without hesitation, one turkey charged at it, and soon its buddy joined in for a tag team takedown. One targeted the snake's tail, while the other went for the head. The poor snake had no chance. No matter which direction it tried to escape, it was cornered. In this battlefield, escape was futile. The snake, likely sensing its doom, probably knew from the start that survival wasn't in the cards. Better luck in the afterlife, snake. This turkey, even if caught off guard, was quick enough to escape an eagle's attack. Here, you can see the turkey's alertness and speed. It made a skilled leap, then turned around and sprinted away at breakneck speed. Despite its large size and heavy weight, it managed to evade the eagle with impressive agility. On the other side, a turkey with its chicks is walking in this meadow, but it doesn't know that above its head, a red-tailed hawk is lurking like a professional killer. But the mother is completely alert and taking care of the babies. At this moment, you witness the eagle attacking the chicks. The eagle dives towards one of the chicks with lightning speed, but the turkey mother, who is very agile and strong, reaches the eagle with a long jump. With her powerful wings, she hits the eagle and forces it to retreat. The eagle, with wings that now seem heavy, quickly flees the scene, and the mother turkey proudly takes care of her chicks, as if she has completed a successful rescue mission. In this part, we witness a breathtaking and spectacular battle between two turkeys. One is domestic and the other is wild. This exciting scene took place in the dead of night in the backyard of a house. The two giant birds have entered the arena with all seriousness, and as if they were participating in a professional wrestling match, they have grabbed each other's necks and are trying with all their might to knock their opponent to the ground. They are completely serious about a major operation. Both rivals with powerful physiques and indescribable agility show the same abilities. It seems that this battle will not end easily, and the tide could turn at any moment. With the passage of time and the continuation of this long fight, fatigue gradually overcomes both turkeys. But still, none of them is willing to give up. Finally, one of the turkeys, who seems to be a little weaker than his opponent, decides to leave the field. The domestic turkey, despite all its efforts, is forced to flee, and it is the wild turkey that is recognized as the winner of the field. But this is not the end of the story. Here we have a man who has a beautiful farm full of all kinds of animals. One such animal is the goose, which is foolish enough to challenge a large turkey, but in the end it fails. A biting and pecking contest ensued between them, and things quickly got out of hand. The farmer had to use a stick to separate them. The goose started to run away, but the turkey kept running after him. If you enjoyed this video, please like us and share your suggestions in the comments section at the bottom of the page. In order not to miss the next videos of the channel, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification to be notified as soon as a new video is uploaded to the channel. Thank you for watching this video till the end.